Hello, welcome to our YouTube channels, Civil Engineering Working Platform. Today I will discuss about the plaster quantity for 1 meter cubic concrete. As you know that the plaster is calculated in square meters in civil engineering quantity estimations. For this purpose we take the quantity because the weight of the in BQ the rate of the plasters is calculated in square meters, and the thickness is also given in the specification, so that's why we take it for square meter. The ratio is 1:4. So for this purpose I calculate for the easiness the short tricks. You can see we required 0.11 bags for 1 square meters. In sand we required 0.54 CFT. We consider the thickness of the plaster is 0.0 feet. It means it's like 5 sutures. As you know that 1 inch has 8 sutures and 1 feet is 12 inches. We make such conversion, then we calculate 0.05. Then we, as you know that 1 suture has 3.175 mm. So if you multiply by this, it becomes around 16 mm. So how I calculate this quantity? For this purpose, as you know that the plaster, for example, this is the wall thickness. The wall thickness is 0.5. This is the length of the wall. Consider this the border is the length of the wall, and this is the height of the wall. This is 10 feet and this is 10 feet. So the thickness is 5 sutures. So for this purpose the area is 100 SFT. Let the volume of the wall is how, as you know that the formula of volume for the cubical shape like length, width and thickness. For this purpose 10 for the calculation purpose the unit should be same. So we convert 5 suture into feet. It becomes 0.05 feet. We calculate the wet volume quantities 5 CFT. For the dry volumes we take 27% of the wet volume. So we multiplied 5 into 1.27. We got this volume. So the 1 cubic meters, as you know that 1 cubic meter is 35.32 CFT. How we calculate? Because for this purpose 1 meter is equal to 3.28, and because the meter cube is the 3 times 3.28, 3.28, 3.28, we got 35.3 30.2. When we take it ounce, it becomes so for the conversion purpose we calculate 35.32 as per standards. So we multiplied this by this, so we got the dry volume in cubic meters. So the ratio for the plaster quantities, because plaster has only 2 ingredients, one is cement and the second is sand. Plaster is made of these 2 things, so that's why the sum of ratio is 5. For the cements, we for the 1 divided by 5, the cement is 1 and the dry volume is 0.1795. we take from this. So we got the dry volume, so we got the quantity of cement is 0.035 for this ratio, and for the given area 100 CFT. The volume of 1 bag is 0.035 meter cube. As you know, when we divide this quantity divided by the given bag volume, so we got 1.027 bags for 100 CFT area. If we have 100 SFT area, we will require 1.027 bags of cement. So as you know that the meter square is 2 times 3.2 into 3.2. We got text. It's mean 1 meter square is equal to 10.76 SFT. 100 SFT is equal to, for 100, because 100 divided by this, the conversion factor we got 9.2937. If we have area is 100 SFT, and if we shown this area in meter square, we have this 9.2937. So we calculate that the quantity for cement is for 1.027 for 100 SFT and 9.2397 meter square. For 1 meter square we will, for 1 meter square is 0.11. So for you can see in this the total is 100 SFT is equal to 9.297. For 9.297 area is 1.03 bags. For 1 meter square area is 0.11 bags. For the sand, the ratio is 4 divided by 5. The volume is given, so we got this in meter cube. The conversion we already told you, and here's that 100 CFT is equal to 9.29. Sand required for in meter square, we the total divided by the for 1 meter square is this, so we got this quantity. Then we convert this quantity in CFT. For how is, 1 meter cube is equal to 35.32. We got this. So this is very simple, we got it. For example, you have wall having length is 3 meters and his height is 4 meters. So you will easily calculate 12 meter square. For the cement, you just this 12 meter square, we have formula, we already got it, formula the number of bags. And similarly for the sand, you have also formula 12 multiplied by this or this is the same thing. So I consider this is also okay. Safety, this is the additional 5% for both, and this is the 5% the wastage. So this is for cement we required this, and sand we required 6.8, and this is the cement after when we orders cement and sand for this given area. This is a just example, because in lower project the meter square area is very large, so that's why you will take, and this is a basic formulation for you. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please subscribe and share with your friends, and inshallah we will share such type of best and nice video in the coming video. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Thank you once again.